guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Okay, let's start. So on Google, how to download Power BI. First I will click on Google and then I will type here Power BI. And here we have lots of options. So I will click on the first options. So, and I will go to products and then I will go to Power BI Desktop. Hit on Power BI Desktop. So then here we have two options, download now and advanced download options. I will hit on advanced download option and then here I will choose the language. I will select English language. So here we have, and then I will hit on download. So I will just click it, and here I have three options here. So I will click on the last one options and then hit on download button. So the download has been started. I can't see from where I can open the file. So I can go to File Explore, and then here I have PowerBI Desktop setup. So 64 bits. So I will just click on it. So it's preparing to install. It will take time. Here we have Microsoft Power BI Desktop 64 setup. So when I will hit on click next, then here here's the options. I accept the terms in the license agreement. I will click on this button and then hit on next. And then if you want to change your location of file, so you can change it. I will keep it as it is and then click on the next, and then I will click on install, and then it is depending on your internet speed. So just wait for a few minutes, and then here we have an options here, complete the Microsoft Power BI Desktop. So I will hit on finish button. So the Power BI Desktop has been downloaded. Here you will see the screen of Power BI Desktop. So I have uploaded Power BI top interview question and answers, and I will be uploading Power BI tutorials very soon. So stay tuned if you are looking to level up your data visualization skill, and make sure to subscribe and follow so you don't miss out these awesome lessons coming your way. And thank you. Bye.